Welcome back, my dear ethical hackers. In the previous video, we saw how by registering on certain websites, our email address can be compromised. What can we do about that? I promise to show you in this video. In this video, we are going to talk about temp mails. And temp mail is a service that allows you to create temporary disposable email addresses. No, these email addresses are not fake. They are actually genuine, but they are only there for a few minutes. So just imagine this temporary email service is a fantastic service. It allows you to access those emails without any hassles. You can just create a temporary email address that is untraceable to you, and isn't that what this class is all about? The second is spam protection. It allows you to ensure that since you're using a disposable email address, the users don't have to worry about getting spammed all the time, because this address is going to evaporate in the next 10 minutes and that's it, is gone forever. Not bad, right? Privacy protection is another feature. Temp will make sure that your personal email address is not compromised and is not given to any third parties, and this prevents the breaching in the future. And of course, no registration is required. So most temp email services do not require to register. In short, it will not ask you for any details about you, and that is super cool. So there are 3 email providers that I'll show you. One is temp mail, 10-minute mail, 20-minute mail. All 3 will work pretty much in the same way. Let's take a look at how this works. Let's go to Google, and in Google, we'll simply search for temp mail, and that's all that you have to do. Just click on the very first link, disposable temporary email. And here we are. So that's your temporary email. Whenever you register for anything that requires you to get your email, all you have to do is provide this particular email. Just copy this. Now this email has been copied. Let's say, for example, if I were in the process of downloading an important document, or if downloading something that requires me to register. Let us take an example of this particular tool. Oh, this is a very lovely tool that you will learn a little later in the course. Right now, I'm just demonstrating that MetaGeek makes it mandatory for me to download this. I'm just showing this for educational purpose. Please register genuinely for this particular tool. It's a nice tool. Let's click on downloads. Select the lovely tool here. If it doesn't automatically download, just click on this link. I do not think I'll have to click on the link. It's downloaded on its own. Yes. Okay, there it is. So here it's asking me to create an account. Let's go ahead and create an account. So ask you for the first name and the last name and the email address. That's what we came here for. Let's see if we can get that email address. This is the email address. Let's copy this and let's paste that email address in MetaGeek. That's your email address. Put in a strong password. Prove that you're not a robot. Let's register. Okay, and it's asking you to verify your email. Isn't that what happens? Let's see whether the verification process can be done now in the temp mail. Let's go to temp mail, and you will see that MetaGeek support has sent you an email. Just click on this, and there you will see that you are able to verify your identity even through this temporary email. Just click on confirm email address. And that's it. We are ready to go. Let's select OK. And that's it, my dear friends. You can see that we are registered and we can start using this lovely product. Now, this is the advantage of using temp emails. Why did we create temp emails? There are several reasons. One is to avoid spam. The second is to protect your online privacy. And third is it is good for testing and development. And it has got something called one-time user accounts. You can use it once and then you can dispose of it. This email is going to evaporate in the next 10 minutes. That's it. And temp mail can protect you and your mail email address from being exposed to unknown party. And this is a very good thing. So there are other temp emails, just like the one that I showed you. You can search on Google for 10-minute email that exactly disappears after 10 minutes. So this is an example of a 10-minute mailer. And if you are using this, if you need more than 10 minutes, all you need to do is you just click on 10 more minutes and then it will reset itself. Otherwise, it just destroys itself. It just evaporates in 10 minutes. And if you want more than 10 minutes, you can just search for 20-minute mail and so on and so forth. And this one works for 20 minutes before disappearing. So these are the lovely tools that can help penetration testers and ethical hackers to make sure that your main email address is not exposed to unknown parties. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.